going on, guys? We have a pretty cool video. So we got our friend Nick's car, stockish 5.0, and we're going to be installing a set of cutouts on this car. Now there's been some notable changes to it, actually a few. If you notice, there's actually a 4-star drag pack finally on this car, so it looks really good. It's also has some different changes because Nick struggled to get into the 10s prior with the Nitrous, and then switched over to Palm Beach Dyno, and now it's going 10s on a 28.
With no effort.
Yeah, with 315 gears. So this with a 26 or 373 gears would probably go even faster. And that's in heat. So I'm really excited to see what it's going to do in the future. But we got cutouts to install today. Now the cutouts, we don't know if it's actually going to gain any power or go any faster at the track, but we can definitely test it.
It's going to sound damn good though.
Yeah, but it's going to have a really good option between going through the GT500 quad mufflers that he has on here, you know, which is a pretty good tone, but it's a little quiet, and going pretty much dumped straight pipe. So it'll be a wireless remote cutout switch. So we have this kit from SPE Labs, and it is fairly simple. We got two 3-inch cutouts, has a wireless remote on it. We got the turn down, we got all the wiring, wireless remote, and we have the motor right there. So I'm really excited to hear what this sounds like. We're gonna have to get a little creative because Nick has a 3-inch X pipe right there going to the stock manifolds. It's got a resonator delete here, and we wanted to put them right about here, but it's a little bit more complicated. Josh here at Ice Cold Air Muffler is gonna kind of figure some things out and figure out where to go ahead and place these, because essentially this has to go in line, cut out, and you have to make sure it's not gonna be, you know, hanging really low to the car, and you also don't want it to hit. Alright, so I believe Josh is going to go ahead and basically move the X-pipe back further. This way we get the most clearance, and so that this doesn't hit the ground or the body or anything on the car and gets false knock or anything like that. So basically that's going to be like that, and then he's going to run the X-pipe just further back a little bit.
That'll look good. That should work just fine. Yeah, we'll have to shorten it, but
yeah, slightly shorten it, but that's pretty much on the money.
Yep,
yeah,
that'll work. All right, cool.
Yeah, I like it.
It'll work out pretty good. Oh yeah,
perfect.
Identical.
Yep. So now the X pipe will just get chopped a little bit right there. That way that mates up back over here, and the X pipe just moves back. What is that metal? Foot?
8 inches.
8 inches?
Yeah, with the slip points, it should be about 8 inches.
Yep, so the X pipe's only back 8 inches, so really shouldn't affect anything.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun.
So we got some gaskets on both sides. Goes to a V-band, which also goes to the turn down. We are gonna have to shorten that just a little bit to fit in the space we want it to fit in. And that's pretty much about a wrap. So the X-pipe, you can't even really tell, you know, that it's moved backwards. But yeah, this went backwards about 8 inches. So I guess the X-pipe used to be somewhere around there. And 3-inch piping where the resonators were.
Looks good.
Original clamp there, so this whole X-pipe will come off in one piece. And then we got the turn downs. They had to be modified slightly, so they had to be shortened so they fit in here. But it shouldn't make any vibrations against the car. Should be good. The wiring's pretty simple. Basically, this wire, there's a little Y, so it operates both at the same time. I'm gonna drop this wire down from up top, zip tie it up against the other wires, and then hook up positive and ground. And then there's just a wireless receiver. Alright, so there's a wireless remote right here. That works with the antenna that's right here. That plugs in. And it does come with a cigarette lighter, so you don't have to wire it, but I would prefer to just do positive and ground. Should be good to test it. Everything's hooked up.
The switch and listen for the motors first. Again?
Your dad made you trade a manual for an auto.
Do it again.
You call him mom.
Open.
Open them up.
Nice.
Alright, close them.
Alright, start it up.
Start her up.
Nice. Seems pretty good to me. So now it has the best of both worlds. Quiet GT500 mufflers and really loud straight pipe basically. Back it out. Oh yeah, race car. Loud mode. Sounds pretty good on the spray though. You like it?
Yeah.
It's such a dramatic difference between loud and quiet.
Oh, I know.
It's awesome. All right, let's drive around the corner.
Hey, you're gonna do a 4 ramp.
What'd you think? Sounds pretty race car, right?
Jesus, it's so f***ing loud.
This will go good with the nitrous. For anybody who's gonna say something about back pressure, when you have force induction, it's fine. More flow, the better. Not bad?
No, I mean it's loud, like really loud. It's weird.
Yeah, you can be really loud, but it's cool because you got both options. Whoa!
My God.
It just gets super quiet. Rev it again. That is so crazy how the difference.
That's weird.
It's cool. It's cool having both options.
Yeah, no. I mean, we're gonna play with it, but
One click and it opens. That's pretty cool.
this kit, I think, was one of, like Josh even said it, this kit was one of the most pieced together kits ever.
Yeah, nicely pieced together.
Yeah, nicely pieced together, I mean.
Give her the beats. Race car! You feel like a race car driver now?
No.
Dude, it's gonna sound sick with nitrous. It's gonna be even louder when the nitrous hits.
As soon as it kicks, yeah. Oh my god. It's so
Nice cold auto air muffler.
Yep.
That's where Nick works now too.
That is where I work now. Yeah.
Josh did an awesome job. You guys need any exhaust work? Just come down here.
It sounded like a NASCAR.
It's crazy how
Oh.
quiet it gets. Dude, when you switch it to quiet, it's like so
it's
weird.
so weird. Like when Nick had it on his Camaro, it sounded very different because he has the, I mean, his car is cammed and all that stuff, but it's different because he has the active valves. So compared to my car, it's just, I mean, it's weird.
Sick. Quiet mode. 2. It's gonna sound good when the nitrous hits.
Feels good.
Black marks behind us. That felt fast. I think we were only on half beans the last time. That felt fast. So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description if you wanna go ahead and pick up this kit. It was actually really nice. I mean, I was really happy with how it came out. Josh did an awesome job. Once again, ice cold auto air muffler. If you guys wanna come down here and get your exhaust done, or your cutouts too. But yeah, make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys in the next one.